Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a new cryptocurrency called Timestope. Why is there so much talk going on about this cryptocurrency? Should you get it or not? Is it good or bad? And what's so special about Timestopes? Are there any risk in using the Timestope, or is it an opportunity for us not to waste out? I will answer all of these questions in this review for you, so stay tuned and do not miss this awesome video. If you have been a regular visitor on my channel, you have probably seen my video on Pi Network and B Network. I will leave the links down in the description box for you, so if you are interested, you can check them out as well. So Timestope is very similar to what Pi is doing. Before the starting of Bitcoins, nobody knew where the cryptocurrency will be going. It was a brand new idea that came out in 2008. The value of Bitcoin was $0 when it was first introduced in 2009. It was in 2010 when the value of Bitcoin really started to increase. And nowadays it's extremely hard for everyday people to mine our own Bitcoins. That's why new cryptocurrency like Pi Network, B Network, Timestope and more came out to give a chance to everybody. If you look at the Timestope in Pi, there is a lot of similarities. Timestope launched in 2020, which means they launched a year after Pi. That means they have copied the idea from Pi, the same way as B Network did, which is not really a bad thing, because every cryptocurrency after Bitcoin pretty much copied the blockchain from Bitcoin, and then came up with different cases and with ways to make transactions faster. Timestope approach is different. Timestope says every person on this world has 24 hours per day, so it's the only fair asset. No matter if you are rich or poor, you have 24 hours per day available for you, and they use this metric to give you coins. When you sign up for Timestope, which you can do by following the step in the descriptions and in the first comment down below, you will start to get 24 hours. Tau is the unit used to measure Timestope's coins. It's basically like Pi, where you invite new users, you start to mine more Pi coins. And Timestopes, when you invite other users, you get part of their time. So when you sign up, you cannot just sign up yourself. You need an invitation code, and my invitation code is ziamaliky, which I will put in the video description as well as in the comment box. You are most welcome to use it, or you can use anyone else's code down in the comment box. You will actually get 60% of your time, and 40% will go to the person who invited you. It's like Pi and B Network. They create an incentive for their users to spread the word out to the world. So by inviting more users, you get more value, which will eventually worth more money. There are some important differences between Pi and Timestope. Timestope is doing really well, I guess. And one thing to know is that how do you actually mine Timestope? In Pi, you have to log in every day and push a button, but you only have to push the button once in every 24 hours. But in Timestope, you have to log in every day and basically confirm your attendance. And you can do that within a 24-hour window, which means you can log in at 11 p.m. one day and confirm your attendance 1 hour or 2 hours later. You can log in again and confirm your attendance for the next day. This makes it easy to not miss any day. Another difference is that in Pi, even if you stop mining, you still keep your coins and everything stays the same as it is. In Timestope, there is something called your attendance score. When you sign up, you have an attendance of 100 points. So every day when you log in to the Timestope app and confirm your attendance, your score increases by 2. And every day you miss confirming your attendance decreases by 2. The attendance score in Timestope is used for 2 other things as well. The first one is your transfer limit. If your attendance score is between 0 to 299, you can transfer a maximum of 5,000 tau per year. Once your attendance score reaches 300, you can transfer a total of 10,000 tau per year. And it increases according to their own algorithm. You can check the link for more information in this regard. Additional ways to increase your Stope is by inviting 250 people. Every time you invite a total of 250 people, you will actually get 2 years of additional Stopes or mining time. It's different to what Pi is doing by limiting the supply and eventually ending the free mining while the Timestope doesn't. But it doesn't mean that Timestope isn't worth your time or you should stay away from it. No, it means the exact opposite. It means just like Pi network, Timestope is a new cryptocurrency that isn't yet fully developed, and you have the chance to get in early. Now the question is how much the Timestope is going to worth. Honestly, nobody can say that for sure. Supply and demands will eventually dictate the value of the cryptocurrency and how many real world users are there. So it's hard to tell what the real value would be when it comes out to the market. It will not pay you now, and it will not pay you in the next few months either. But in a couple of years from now, either it means you spend a few seconds of your time every day to push a button on your phone, or it means you will suddenly have a couple of hundreds or a couple of hundreds of $1,000s if the currency actually get a high value. So to answer the main question, is Timestope legit or not? The answer is yes, because you don't have to invest anything. It doesn't require any money. All you have to do is download the app, use the invitation code and start mining. I also want to point out that you can only have one account, and there is no point of creating multiple accounts because once the KYC process starts, you will only be able to verify one of your accounts. Timestope is only available on Android, and the iOS version is yet to be approved by the App Store. So you can use the BlueStacks emulator on your computer if you want to mine, just like what I'm doing right now. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Besides technology stuff, we will also be covering a lot of cryptocurrency stuff in this channel, as we did in this video. So that's all we have for you in this video. Till next time, it's goodbye.